Hi, I'm Dr. Yap Wei Hsum from the School of Biosciences. Welcome to my module site for Genes and Tissue Culture Technology. This is a module offered for Biomedical Science and Biotechnology Semester 4 students. The module site begins with an introductory video explaining the module principles and objectives. The subsequent sections were arranged according to the logical flow throughout the semester, starting from the module information. So under this module information section, we have the module information booklet as well as the main reference. So if you click into the main reference, it will bring you to the Google Books stating the type of reference that I'm going to use for this semester. So for the module information booklet, as well as learning outcomes being indicated here. We also include the assessment components for the modules together with their weightage and due dates, as well as the assessment details. More importantly, we also have the rubrics for the assessments in the assignment cover sheet and feedback pro forma, here indicating the weightage for each of the component in their assignment, as well as the peer assessments and also lab skill assessment rubrics. So for example, under the assignment, we have individualized instructions for the learning activities. So if you click into the instructions for assignments, it will bring you into the step-by-step instructions on how to prepare and upload a PowerPoint presentation onto SlideShares. So there are integrated links and YouTube videos indicating how to perform all these steps. Students can also form their groups by writing their names into the Google spreadsheet under the assignment grouping here. So we have group 1, 2 in sheet 1, group 3 and 4 in sheet number 2. So other than that, students will be given the assignment cover sheet and also feedback form where they will need to submit through this assignment link. And they will provide us with their SlideShare link and we will embed it in the module site here for every week. So students from the other subgroups will be able to view their friends' presentations on the module site. Once they have presented, so I will provide feedback to each of the group's assignment where they have submitted their assignment. So we will provide feedback by uploading the feedback files through the assignment link. So from the assignment link, we will provide feedback to the students in terms of the percentage and score obtained for each of the component, as well as to recognize the students' strength and also for the area of improvement. The module contents are organized into individual segments characterized by the types of assessments and also the learning topics. So the learning materials and activities are embedded within each of the learning topic. For example, we have the lecture notes, recommended reading materials, the LAMS, quiz, rewind on the go being embedded here. So we also do have the SlideShare. For example, this is a very interesting platform. So if you click into the SlideShare presentation here, it will bring you to the SlideShare page where students can reach many external audience in the international platforms. So it's a very interesting platforms where we can see the total views on the SlideShare. We have 1008 views for this assignment topic, the number of comments, downloads, embeds, and shares. So from the comments section here, students from other subgroups, from external visitors and lecturers can actually comment and ask questions on the assignment topic. So indirectly, this creates an active learning community where students can learn more in depth in terms of the assignment topic. In addition, we also have Padlet walls on allowing students to collaborate on one of the learning topics, for example, advantages and disadvantages of cell culture. So each of the subgroups will work on individual advantage and disadvantage, where I will also facilitate the moderation of the answers provided by providing comment and highlighting and bold the keywords for the correct answers. Apart from using the Padlet wall as the collaborative platforms, We also use Google Spreadsheet for learning activities. For example, these applications of stem cell activity. Students working in different groups are able to answer the questions into individual columns for this activity. And upon the completion of the activity, so we will discuss the answers across all the subgroups, and then we will provide the answers on the column in the right here. Apart from that, we also have discussion forum, for example, topic 3, DNA sequencing and applications. So students will need to compare between the different type of sequencing platforms. So as the students providing their answers, I will provide feedbacks from time to time indicating that their answers are correct or incorrect and provide some feedback. And then students with the correct answers will be highlighted and will give the positive comments here. Apart from that, we also have the assessment, like for example practical assessment, where they will upload all their practical worksheets, short and full reports into the submission link here. So students submitting their report will receive their feedback into individual files here, where they will look at the areas for improvement. So in terms of the self-assessment, students will required to do some quizzes after the completion of each of the topics. Thank you for watching.